guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jules MOA, and before you go any further in this video, please don't forget to join the Jules MOA family. Tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a friend to tell a family member to join the Jules MOA family. Okay guys, to jump right into this video, I'll be using the new H&B Cosmetics concealer. Now this concealer I did pick up from the main site, which is H&B Cosmetics, and you can also purchase it from Be Perfect Cosmetics. Now this concealer looks like this. That's the box right there, and this is the concealer and this lovely packaging. This concealer is priced at £16 and it comes in a shade range of 18 shades, and you have from neutral to warm to cool undertones within the 18 shades that she has in this concealer. The shade that I did pick up though is SF4W, and W stands for warm. Now I'm gonna quickly apply this with you guys on camera, because as you can see by the title, it will be a full face of H&B Cosmetics. Concealer also has 15 grams in product. Comparing it to a high-end or a drugstore concealer, is quite a lot of products we get in this concealer. So let's see how it looks, and let's see if I picked a good shade. Right off the bat, the concealer is very lightweight. It is in consistency. It does remind me of the Lancome Tint Idol concealer, where it's lightweight but full coverage from what I can see so far. I do love also that the doe foot applicator is very big, so therefore you probably only need like one dab to get the amount that you need, or probably two the most, depending on how much concealer you like to apply in your highlighted areas. I'm gonna take my damp sponge and then I'm gonna blend this out. Let's see how full coverage this is. So far that's spreading really nice. Right off the bat, look how creamy this concealer is. Superb. Just taking the sponge that has my foundation on it to just blend out the edges of this concealer, so we have a seamless blend. Look how gorgeous it has blended out seamlessly. You can see it's full coverage. Full coverage. Very lightweight but full coverage. Now to set my highlighted areas, I'm going to take my H&B Cosmetics Soft Focus, and I have these powders in 2 shades. Now I do typically tend to use the translucent one more than the banana for some reason. Yeah, I typically use the translucent powder, and this is what it looks like. Let me show them side by side. So you can see translucent and banana. Banana has a more tint to it, well, translucent is looking like this. But as I said, I'm gonna go in with a translucent. I'm just gonna pat this in. And when you pat the powder in, you get a smooth finish with no patches. Look at that. And the next thing I'm going to take from H&B Cosmetics is the bronzer. And for the bronzer, I'm in the shade 07 Dark. And this is basically what the bronzer looks like. This bronzer is definitely, most definitely, in my top 5 when it comes to bronzers. I feel like she executed the color perfectly. I'm just gonna and this is my Colored Rain bronzer brush. I love how it hugs the cheeks. Yeah, this bronzer is just the perfect tone. I'm going to quickly finish the rest of my face off camera and come back. My final thoughts with this concealer, and also apply the H&B lip products that I do own onto my lips. So I'm back and I've finished my face. So it's just to put the lipstick on. And for today's lipstick choice from H&B Cosmetics is the shade called Obsessed. And it's a liquid lipstick. And to top that off, I'm gonna take her lip gloss in 1111 and just put on top of that. But you can leave your lips like this, but if you want it glossy, you can go the extra mile to just apply. Hey guys, so we've now reached the end of my video using a full face of H&B Cosmetics. I must say that for a small brand, she's doing the damn thing. She is doing the damn thing. Like the concealer, which is the star of the show, it's full coverage, and you saw how seamlessly it blended. You saw that I had no creases under my eyes, but yeah, I guess because if you don't have natural creases, you won't crease. If you have creases, you will crease. But you saw how smooth my under eyes and everywhere that I've highlighted looked and blended amazing. So for the conclusion of this concealer, it's lightweight, full coverage. When I mean it's lightweight, it's very airy on the skin. It feels very airy on the skin. Like you cannot feel that it's there, if that makes any sense. And it blends out like a dream. You saw it for yourself, but you can comment down below and let me know what you guys think. For her powders are amazing. The powders are good, but the bronzer is in my top 5. She has executed the undertones in her bronzers. Like, I genuinely feel like you guys should pick it up because it's very affordable. I can't remember the price, but I think it's £13 for the bronzer if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure if the price went up or not, but I bought this when it just came out. So, and I really use that bronzer very often, and I'm sure you guys have seen me use it quite a few times. If you guys are OGs on my channel, I'm sure you guys have seen me use this bronzer quite a lot on my channel. Liquid lipsticks, her lip gloss are amazing. Personally though, personally, I do prefer her first set of lip glosses comparing to her newer version of lip glosses. But anyways, the combo does look good. The combo that I did come out with does look amazing. For lip liner though, I did go in with my Vive lip liner from Jamie Genevieve's collection. Then I went in with Obsessed. and then her gloss in 101. I have a few of her lipsticks and a few of her lip glosses from HMB Cosmetics, so if you guys want to see a video on that, please comment down below.